This spot is good.
Yes, the water flows close.
We can grow many plants here.
The jungle floor is hard, but the earth is generous. We dig deep into the red clay, carving out a sanctuary by hand. It takes sweat and patience to prepare the ground for what is to come. We borrow stones from the riverbed to build our walls. No cement, no chemicals. We mix the clay with our feet, creating a natural seal that holds water tight. Nature gives us everything we need. To bring the river to us, we use the gift of bamboo. We split and shape these green pipes to guide the water's path, a lifeline from the stream, bringing the mountain's energy right to our doorstep. Finally, the water flows, crystal clear and cold. After the hard work, the jungle rewards us. Immersed in this blue peace, washed by the waterfall, we are home.